In this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Berkshire Hathaway. So just open any browser and then type in Berkshire Hathaway and then jobs. And once you do that, you will find this option saying careers at the top. So just go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you will land on this screen and then you can just click on current job openings. And once you do that, you will find all of the job openings that are currently available. So you can filter on region. So you can select, for example, Asia, Middle East, Australia or Asia, Europe or North America. And let's say we're going to select North America. And then you can also select a job category. So let's say you want something in finance, then you can select this. And then it's giving one option, and that is the global head of finance. And let's say you want to apply for this. Then first you're going to click on the job, and then you will find everything about this job. You will find things like duties and responsibilities, qualifications, skills or experience, BSHI offers, and you can also find an option to apply for this job. So when you're interested, go ahead and click on apply. And after that, you will see the job description again, and then you can again click on apply at the bottom right. And then you need to tell something about yourself. So fill in your first name, last name, your email, and your phone number. And then you can just click on continue, and then you are going through the application flow. So make sure that you finish everything and that you fill in everything of your personal information correctly. Submit your application, and that is how to apply for a job at Berkshire Hathaway. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.